Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you a parallax video how we can set a YouTube intro or video intro in a parallax style. Let's start our video. As usual, I request before starting my videos, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Click on videos. Take any background. I am taking the background of city. This one. Right click on it and set as image as a background. Now take a text, add a heading, write you YouTube. Now select a font. This one 210. Change the color to white. Go to effects, outline, little bit deeper and slightly shadows. Increase the length up to 10 seconds and right click on duplicate page, expand this image. It will be easier if you minimize the canvas. Then you can easily expand the. Check this T. I will adjust the upper side of the T to the whole screen. Up to this extent, I have to expand the text. Up to this extent. Now set it to back and change the position of these two slides like this. Select a transition, match and move up to 1.5. Expand this image a little bit. Download. The video has been downloaded, then upload it again. this one, and delete these pages. Right click, set video as a background. Slightly before the animation, trim the video. After this, done, and delete this part. Now check. This is all about Parallax. Hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and share my videos. If you want to learn these types of the tips and tricks about videos in Canva, then connect with my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video.